Spencer's not having a baby for 100 years.
Oh my gosh.
The Hills, all new episodes, tomorrow at 10.
Are you gonna wear that hat everywhere? What did I get myself into?
Over the last few years, a number of our most talked about True Life episodes have been devoted to young people dealing with the troubles of drug and alcohol abuse.
You can do it!
One of our most harrowing episodes is
Nat.
about three
Oh,
men
come on, you gonna sit now? You wanna sit?
making
Go ahead, you can do it.
sacrifices
You can do it.
and train harder.
Yeah, they need to build me a new machine.
On True Life All About Steroids, Brian injected the illegal drugs to gain a more sculpted physique. But now,
Bend your
he's
knees.
struggling with a
Oops.
crushing addiction.
You did it! Yay! Oh, yeah, that was hard work.